This is my dad's beloved computer, a trusty companion through the years. With his birthday coming up, I thought, why not surprise him with an upgrade? The plan? Keep the outside looking exactly the same so he doesn't suspect a thing, but transform the inside into a brand new setup, all in sleek white, just like he loves. This computer, first, Lenovo KT4600, purchased in 2003. That time's CPU is Pentium. Computer can't turn on, so I don't know what kind of graphics card it is. According to my clinical experience, it should be NVIDIA NT2. Some friends must have said it shouldn't be GeForce MX440 in 2003. And this Lenovo old logo, I think it's... Let's take a look at the interior. First, what do we use for the new accessories because it's an Intel logo on the outside? So CPU, we'll go straight to Intel. 11th generation. 11900K. There is only a iGame. Z59. 0 Vulkan mainboard to match the pure white motherboard. I found one that you can't buy. I can't buy it either. Hongxun. Helldog. 6700 XT. Pure white. Special edition. The power supply originally wanted to use this Hanyun 650 watts, SCX 650, SFX The old chassis of 2003. There is no 2.5-inch hard disk space. We need to transfer. This transfer box is about a few dollars.